In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for construction management step by step using a ready-made template so you can manage projects, timelines, and teams without starting from scratch. This setup is perfect for contractors, project managers, and construction teams who want better visibility and control over their work. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, sign in to your ClickUp account using your email or Google login. Once you're inside your workspace, you'll be on the main dashboard where all your spaces and projects live. Next, you'll want to create a new space. Click on the option to add or create a space, which is where your construction projects will be organized. When prompted, type in construction management as the name of your space so everything stays clearly labeled. After naming the space, click on Use Templates. This is where ClickUp really shines because templates save you a huge amount of setup time. From the template library, search for and click on Construction Project Management. This template is designed specifically for construction workflows, including tasks, phases, and progress tracking. Once you open the template, click on Use Template. ClickUp will now ask you to confirm how you want to apply it to your workspace. Finally, click on Use Template again to complete the setup. Within seconds, your construction management space will be created with pre-built lists, tasks, and statuses ready to go. From here, you can customize tasks, assign team members, set due dates, and track progress across your entire construction project. And that's it. You've successfully set up ClickUp for construction management using a template. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity guides.